Hello friends, my name is Kuldeep and today I am going to show you how to protect folder with password. If you don't know how to protect folder using password, don't worry. In this video you will learn very advanced method to protect your folder with password. Let's jump in. First I am going to create one folder. Then paste my all important file into this folder. Now I want to protect this folder with password. I'm going to protect this folder with password using winrar software. If you don't have winrar software, I have also mentioned download link into description box, so you can get that software very easily. Right now I'm going to click on this folder with right click and select add to archive. Now you get one pop-up box. Now click on lock archive checkbox and click on set password. Now here you can get one pop-up box. Just add password over here. For example, I'm going to add 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 and also click on encrypt file names and then click on OK. Now click on OK. Now this file is protected. We are going to check once again. Now I am going to click on this example archive and this is showing me add password. If maybe I am adding random password, it will showing me error. If I am going to add right password 1 2 3 4 5 and click on OK button, then I can access these files. Thank you for watching this video. If maybe you want more tips and tricks, then this is the right place where you will learn more advanced things. If you have any question or comment, please write down into comment below, and if you have any suggestions, please write us. I hope you like this video, so please share with your friends or family, and thank you for watching.